Hello, in this video I will show you step by step how to check your PM Kisan beneficiary status online for the 17th installment in 2025. If you are a PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana beneficiary, this guide will help you confirm whether the money has been credited to your account or not. As you know, under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, eligible farmers receive 6,000 per year in 3 installments for 2,000 each in 2025. The 70th installment is being released and the lakhs of farmers are waiting for the payments. To know your status, you don't need to go anywhere. You can check it online from home. First, visit official websites pmkisan.gov.in. This is an official PM Kisan Samman Nidhi website, and on right side you can see know your status. Click on it and enter your registration number, fill the caption and click on get OTP. The registered mobile number will get OTP and enter OTP. Your status will be displayed. And if you don't know your registration number, you can click here. By clicking here, you can enter your mobile number or Aadhaar number and fill CAPTCHA and get mobile OTP and enter the OTP. You can get your registration number. After getting registration number, you can follow these registration steps and click on get OTP. You can know your status. If your installment is not credited, the common reason may be bank account not linked with Aadhaar, incorrect IFS code, or KYC not completed. In such cases, visit your nearest CSC Common Service Center or contact your agriculture officer for help. So friends, this is the simple way to check your PM Kisan Beneficiary Status 2025 online for the 17th installment. I hope the video was helpful. If yes, please like the video, share it, farmers, and subscribe for more genuine updates of government updates. Thank you.